Hi, everyone. We are computer science faculty and staff of various sorts. And as you may know, this is Spike's last lecture at Brown in his career. And so we wanted to say a few words about it. Andy Van Dam couldn't be here, but he sent me a few comments, and he pointed out that when Spike came here, Spike was a mathematician. You would never guess that, of course, from taking any of his classes. But he would sort of wander over to Andy's lab and start looking at all these cool graphics they were doing and say, that's not quite right, and that's not quite right. I mean, Spike's never nitpicked, so he's obviously stopped that habit. And would nitpick all these things, and then they're like, yeah, this is like some graphic stuff. He's like, no, that's actually a math problem. Oh, that's actually a math problem. And so basically at some point Andy realized having a person who knows math and engineering and physics and can code is kind of an awfully useful thing if you're doing computer graphics. And essentially managed to convert Spike into being a computer scientist, though not entirely. I mean, he's still a mathematician. But turns out this nitpicking business is not in any way limited to graphics people. He would wander into my office periodically. Like, I still remember this one time. He walked into my office and he said, so here's the thing, right? And the moment Spike comes and says, here's the thing, it's, it's going to be the thing. Goes to the board, he says, okay, so here's a curve. And if you look at this pixel over here, you see like this pixel ought to be on, but at like the sub-pixel level, it's actually off on Windows. So I've been trying to spend like the past month figuring this out, and I eventually contacted the Windows developer team, and I point out they've got the wrong formula in there, and they're going to fix it, and so eventually everybody's screen is going to be slightly better at the sub-pixel level. So he does not discriminate in who he talks to. Like, I barely understand ASCII, and like he'll gladly spend my time doing this. And every single time Spike does this, I go home and I tell my wife, like, I just lost another hour at work because of Spike. And this happens about 3 times a year, and it is the single, absolutely greatest thing about working at Brown. And I am going to miss it so much. So that's Spike, and we've got a few words for
Good morning, everybody. My name is James Tompkin. Now, Spike is a big sailor. I'm sure he dropped a few puns. So, we all need a crew. You are the crew. Okay? You are the crew. So we're going to sing together a sea shanty. It is a call and response. Okay? So the call goes da 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 da, and then you all sing way hey blow the man down. Okay, so let's practice. Ready? And be your best boisterous sailors. Ow. Okay, and try not to poke yourself in the eye. Okay, da 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 da. Way, hey, blow the man down. Da 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 da. Give me some time to blow the man down. Okay. All right. Back to Rose. You have a very special duty. Very special. You are the most boisterous sailors. And now on the screen, behind you, at various different times during the song, are going to flash the words, to me, okay? And when you see that, you have to shout in your best sailor voice, to me, okay? So back to Rose, give it some welly. 3, 2, 1.
To me!
Very good, very good. All right, everybody ready? One, 2, 3.
Sing with me, young students, as we go on a cruise. Way, hey, blow the man down, to tell of a salty professor named Hughes. Give me some time to blow the man down, for in se-ven-teen he has lambdas we'll use. Way, hey, blow the man down, to chart the right mapping, reducing a blues. Give me some some time to blow the man down. Ahoy, there are trees, which branch will we choose? Way, hey, blow the man down. No need for a racket, we'll just reason through. Give me some time to blow the man down. Now Spike teaches graphics, we'll color with hues. Way, hey, blow the man down. He wrote us a textbook to render scene views. Give me some time to blow the man down. He's certain our hull is a smooth manifold. Way, hey, blow the man down. Old Reidemeister could learn from his not old. Give me some time to blow the man down. He kept us in service to meet our crew's goals. Way, hey, blow the man down. Cajoling our colleagues to plug teaching holes. Give me some time to blow the man down. So there'll be no good measure, not large and not small. Way, hey, blow the man down. The mark of professor, he teaches us all. Give me some time to blow the man down. Bring your hands together for a life filled with ease. Way, hey, thanks to John Hughes. We'll miss you, good sailor, we'll travel the seas. Let us all cheer in thanks to John Hughes.
Thank you all very much. I'm touched.